Hello, design enthusiasts and eco-conscious individuals. Today, we're delving into the world of bamboo flooring, uncovering its advantages and disadvantages. Join us as we explore the pros and cons of this sustainable flooring option. Let's dive into the intricacies of bamboo flooring together. First up, let's talk about the advantages of bamboo flooring. One of the biggest perks is its sustainability. Bamboo is a rapidly renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice compared to hardwoods that take decades to mature. Its growth rate allows for quicker replenishment, reducing environmental impact. Additionally, bamboo flooring is known for its durability. It's incredibly strong and resistant to moisture, making it suitable for various environments, including high-traffic areas and places prone to humidity. Installation-wise, many find bamboo flooring relatively easy to install, whether it's in the form of planks, tiles, or even engineered bamboo. This can save both time and money during renovations. Now, let's address some of the drawbacks. Despite its durability, certain types of bamboo flooring may be susceptible to scratches and dents, especially if of lower quality or improperly maintained. Another consideration is its vulnerability to moisture. While bamboo is naturally more moisture-resistant than hardwood, excessive exposure to water can still cause damage, warping, or swelling. So, to wrap it up, bamboo flooring offers sustainability, durability, and a relatively straightforward installation process. However, it might require extra care to prevent scratches and is not entirely impervious to water damage. There you have it, a balanced view of the advantages and disadvantages of bamboo flooring. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of bamboo flooring.